What's going on, guys? Mike here from Stack Detailing Ceramic Coating in Long Island and Queens, New York. I'm here today with these foggy headlights on this Infiniti. Headlight fog is caused by one of two things. Either the quality of the plastic itself is degraded, either by the sun or UV rays, industrial fallouts, and it gets foggy from being corroded over time, or there's actually like pebbles and everything off the road, kind of like beating onto it, and the plastic ends up getting scratched, and the scratches multiply over time. Don't believe any of the quick fix hype going around headlight restoration. There's only one way to go at this, and it's by sanding. So first, let's tape up the surrounding area so we don't damage any paint. Grab a sanding disc on a machine. We're starting off with 1000 grit sanding paper, lubing up the area, and then going to town on the headlight. You want to go over the whole headlight. You don't necessarily have to be too smooth and too even with it. You could go a little carelessly with the machine, as long as by the end of the process you have a smooth finish. Things have to get worse before they get any better, so the lens does have to get a little more foggy with the sanding machine. We're going to keep going at it with its 1000 grit sanding paper until the surface looks evenly fogged up. Next, we're going to wipe it down and inspect the area, make sure that everything is smoothed out, then slap on a 1500 grit disc and repeat the same steps. At this point, we're also going to grab a disc by hand and try to get into the little tight areas that the machine won't be able to get into. We do this with every step that the sanding paper grit goes higher and higher. We're going to do the corners by hand also. So 1000 by hand, finish out the rest of the lens, 1500 by hand, finish out the rest of the lens, and then we're going to move on to a 3000 grit sanding paper. At this point, after the 3000 grit, you can really start seeing some clarity back into the lens. Now is when we're going to go on to compounding and polishing. So we're going to grab a cutting disc, some good cutting compound, and go to town to fix the imperfections that the sanding discs created. The compounding step is the step that's going to take you the most time. You really have to dig in there to really get the sanding marks out, but it's also the step that's going to yield you the greatest before and after results. As you can tell, the lens is practically clear on camera. Now there's still a few slight imperfections. Now is when we go after the polishing step. We're going to take a polishing pad with some very fine finishing polish and clear out the lens completely. This is going to make it look perfectly crystal clear and practically brand new. To finish it up, we're going to give it an IPA wipe down, isopropyl alcohol wipe down, just to get rid of all the oils from the polishing steps. And then we're going to ceramic coat the lens so this clarity that we've received today can last a very long time, and hopefully it doesn't fog up again. After that, we're going to peel off the tape, clean the paint on the surrounding areas because we definitely made a mess, and the car is good to go. But before that, we do also have to do the other headlight. Alright guys, so this thing came out absolutely perfect, perfectly clear. I was worried about a little haze spot right around here, but it actually came up in the final polish and it perfect. We got the heavy condensation and the haze out from the top. That was really my main focus. There was some blemish spots right around here that I was a little worried about, but they came out perfect. That's also, and no, it just came out great. Looks brand new, honestly. Job well done. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna move on to the next headlight over here. You guys are gonna go grab some to eat. So don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.